how to change the app's screen grid to 4x6 or 5x6 on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down, and from here, we tap on home screen. Next, scroll down and tap on apps screen grid. From here, you can select 4x6. This is what it looks like when you select 4x6. So that will be 4 columns by 6 rows. Here we have 5x6, so there will be 5 columns and 6 rows. So in total, you can have up to 30 app icons. And that's it. So choose your grid size and then tap on done. Then tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.